What if you could go from a story idea to a storyboard to an animated cinematic video without touching a single tool manually, just talking to an AI and boom, a finished result? That is not the future. That is what is possible right now, and in this video I am going to show you exactly how it works. Welcome back. If you're new, this is where we break down AI filmmaking in a way that actually makes sense. Today we're talking about something most AI creators are seriously overlooking. I was too until I tried it. There's a powerful connection between Claude and Higgsfield, and when you link them using MCP, everything changes. You're no longer jumping between tools or copying prompts. You just chat and Claude handles everything in the background. Choosing models, setting parameters, generating images, even animating video all in one place. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 practical workflows you can start using right away, from script to video, to character consistency, to cinematic generation, and social content creation. Let's get into it. Before we do anything, we need to make the connection. This is the foundation. And the good news is, it takes about 2 minutes. OpenClaw. You can use the web version at Claude AI, the desktop app, or the mobile app. All of them work exactly the same way for this. Once you are in Claude, go to your settings, look for a section called connectors and click on it. You will see an option to add a custom connector. Click that. A small form will appear asking you for a name and a URL. For the name, type Higgsfield. Just that word. For the URL, paste this exactly: https://mcp.higgsfield.ai/mcp. I will also include the URL in the description of this video. Once you have filled both fields, click Add, then click Connect. Claude will ask you to sign in with your Higgsfield account. Log in, authorize the connection, and that is it. You are done. From this moment forward, any conversation you open in Claude has access to the entire Higgsfield platform. Every model, your full asset library, character training, video generation, everything. Now let me show you what that actually looks like when you start using it. Before we jump into the workflows, I want to take a few seconds to explain what MCP actually is. Because once you understand it, everything else makes more sense. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. Think of it as a universal plugin system for AI. It is an open standard that allows Claude to connect directly to external tools and platforms. So instead of just answering questions and generating text, Claude can now take real actions inside other apps on your behalf. Higgsfield built their own MCP server, which means Claude can talk directly to Higgsfield, send prompts, trigger generations, retrieve results, and manage your library, all without you doing any of that manually. You describe what you want in plain language. Claude translates that into the right technical instructions and executes them inside Higgsfield. The result comes back to you inside the chat. That is the shift, and it is a big one, because now you are not operating tools anymore. You are directing a creative assistant who operates the tools for you. Okay, let us get into the workflows. This is the workflow that made me stop and just stare at the screen the first time I ran it. You start with nothing but a story idea, a sentence, a concept, and you end up with animated cinematic clips, all inside one conversation with Claude. Let me walk you through exactly how it works. Step 1 is writing your scene script. You do not need to know how to write a proper screenplay. You just tell Claude your idea and ask it to format it as a scene script. For example, type something like, write a short 3-scene script about a girl who discovers a glowing door in a Lagos market. Claude will write the full script. It gives you scenes, atmosphere, character, actions, and dialogue. It thinks like a writer. Your job in this step is just to give it the idea. Once you have the script, move to step 2. Ask Claude to break one of the scenes into individual short descriptions. These are the individual frames that will become your storyboard. Type something like, break scene 1 into 4 individual short descriptions, cinematic style, ready for image generation. This is where Claude starts thinking like a cinematographer. It will give you a wide establishing shot, a medium shot, a close-up, maybe a tracking shot. It uses real film language, and each description is already written in a way that works as an image generation prompt. Step 3 is generating the storyboard. Once you have your short descriptions, Tell Claude to generate each one as an image using Higgsfield. Type. Generate each shot as a storyboard image using Nano Banana Pro 16:9 aspect ratio. Claude sends each prompt to Higgsfield and returns the images directly inside your chat. You are looking at your storyboard without ever opening Higgsfield manually. Now, take a moment here, review each image carefully. This is your last chance to adjust composition, lighting, and framing before you spend video credits. If something is off, ask Claude to regenerate it. Shift the camera angle, change the lighting, adjust the framing, get it exactly right while you are still working with images. Step 4 is animation. Once you are happy with your storyboard, pick your best frames and animate them. Type something like take shot 2 and animate it into a 5-second cinematic video using Kling 3.0. And that is it. You now have a moving cinematic scene generated from a story idea you typed into a chat window. The most important lesson from this workflow is this: always approve your storyboard before you animate. Images cost less than video credits. Nail your composition first. Never animate a frame you have not already approved. That one habit will save you a lot of money over time. This one is the most accessible workflow on this list, and it is also one of the most impressive, especially for people who are just getting started. The idea here is simple. You just describe your shot in plain language, the way you would describe it to a director, and Claude figures out everything else. Let me show you what that looks like. Type something like, I want a slow drone shot flying over a foggy mountain village at golden hour, cinematic and moody. That is it. That is your entire prompt. Claude reads that description, identifies the right model from the 17+ options available on Higgsfield, sets the aspect ratio, sets the duration, picks the genre, and sends the generation. The video comes back to you inside the charts. You did not make a single technical decision. Claude made all of them. This last workflow is for the content creators who are posting consistently and know how painful it can be to come up with fresh, high-quality visuals week after week. This workflow takes you from a content idea to platform-ready images, videos, and captions all inside one Claude conversation. And because everything happens in the same chat, your visual style and your words stay automatically aligned. The vibe does not shift between the image and the caption. It is all built from the same creative direction. Here is how it works. Step 1 is giving Claude your content concept. Do not overthink this. Just describe the feeling or idea you want to capture. For example, I want to post about the feeling of being the only one awake at 3 in the morning. Dark aesthetic, Gen Z tone. That one sentence is enough. Claude understands the mood, the audience, and the creative direction from what you gave it. Step 2 is generating your image variations. Ask Claude to generate multiple options so you have something to choose from. Type, generate 3 image variations using Nano Banana Pro. 1 moody bedroom, 1 empty street, 1 phone screen glowing in the dark, 9:16 vertical format. Claude generates all 3 through Higgsfield and returns them directly in the chat. You are looking at 3 different creative directions for the same post concept. Pick the one that hits hardest. Step 3 is animating your favorite image. Once you know which one you want to post, bring it to life. Type, animate the bedroom image into a 4-second atmospheric loop, slow zoom in, candle flickers in the background. Now you have a moving piece of content ready for Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, and it took you one conversation to get there. Step 4 is the part that most people forget. Ask Claude to write your captions in the same conversation. Type, write a caption for this post, 1 version for Instagram, 1 for TikTok, and 1 for X. Match the dark 3 a.m. aesthetic throughout. Because Claude has been part of this entire creative process from the beginning, it already understands the mood and the audience. The captions it writes are not generic. They are aligned with the exact visual and feeling you built together. And that alignment is the difference between content that feels cohesive and content that just feels like something you threw together. That's it. If you want to go deeper on any of these workflows, or you want help building your own personal AI filmmaking pipeline from scratch, I do one-on-one sessions. You can send a DM on Telegram. The link is in the description. If you are yet to use Higgsfield, the link is also in the description. Drop a comment and tell me which workflow you are trying first. I read every single one. Subscribe if you have not already. There is a lot more coming. See you in the next one. Lights out.